everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you what I got from the Sephora VIB sale. This is part 1. I will have a second video posted probably next week after this one comes up because I did just order something today. Today is the 18th, so it's still one more day for the sale to be going on, so I might pick up a couple more things, but I don't think so. I think I got everything I really wanted and needed in this second box. I keep calling it a box like if it were a subscription box, but you know what I'm saying, like my shipping arrives. So anyway, I do have I did go in store and I picked up some things from the website. So here is my box. I did order most of these things in the website, but when I went in store, I went because I wanted to pick up some perfume for the spring, and I wasn't sure, of course, what to get unless I went in store and smelled them. So I went in and ended up picking 2 of them when I originally just needed and wanted 1. But you know how things go once you go in store. So let's start with, I guess, the essentials, which is going to be probably the least or the most boring things. It's going to be, I got a restock of my shampoo and conditioner. I bought this back in December for the first time before I went to Mexico, and I really fell in love with this. These are the Olaplex. I've got number 4 and number 5, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So I bought this back in December. I still have some left, which will probably last me, I want to say, maybe like almost a month, if not a little bit less, but at least I will still have like 1 more month of the old ones. But I wanted to restock because they're not super cheap, but they're not too expensive. So they're kind of like, I would say, a mid-range for shampoo, but still a good time to pick up during the sale. So I got both of these. I was interested in getting a couple more things from this brand, but I just couldn't decide. So I just stuck to what I know. Another hair thing that I got was this Kerastase, what is this? The Serum Fortified. I'm probably pronouncing it really bad, but that's what it is. It's basically a product that you can put in your hair whenever it's dry. I was reading that you put it in whenever it's dry, and it should help to kind of like fortify your hair. I'm really bad right now with my English. So it's gonna be for weakened hair prone to falling due to breakage from brushing, which honestly my hair falls so much. I really like the bottle. This is going to be a glass bottle, and that's what the product looks like. I haven't tried it. Apparently it has really good reviews in Sephora. Honestly, I just need something that's gonna keep my hair in my head because I feel like I've been losing a lot of hair. I mean, generally I always lose a lot of hair, but lately I feel like it's getting worse. For my one and only skincare product, surprisingly I didn't pick anything up. I did order a new thing on my new shipping. It's going to be a eye cream, but other than that, this was the only skincare product that I got. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Very long name. So I basically needed a makeup remover. Right now what I use is just coconut oil, but I feel like I wanted something a bit more specific, I guess, for cleansing my face. I read really good things about this. It has really good reviews in the Sephora website, and I want to actually try more from this brand, Glow Recipe. So I'm pretty excited to try this one as my first product. I've never tried anything from the brand. This is what it looks like with a brand new bottle. I wanted to show it to you before I actually used it. So this is definitely coming to the shower with me today because I want to use it before I shower, not into the shower. It smells very papaya-y, which I actually love papaya. It's probably one of my favorite fruits. But anyway, I'll tell you how I like this, but I think I'm gonna love it because it has really good reviews. I want just something to completely remove my makeup, especially because right now I've been using more full coverage foundation. The more fun part is going to be makeup. Surprisingly, I didn't pick up a lot of makeup in this shipping. I did get a couple of things, but also not too many on my second shipping that is coming up probably sometime next week. Anyway, the first thing I got, this was a no-brainer. I knew I had to pick another one of these Patrick Ta blushes. I got this one in the shade She's That Girl. So I do have She's So LA, which is actually, or what has been, my favorite go-to blush for the past month. I've used it non-stop since I purchased that blush. It's such a beautiful one, so I knew that if I picked another one, it had to be a more pinkish, more intense, because we are in that time of the year where I like to use more pinkish blushes. So look at how pretty that is, and you'll see on the demo I'm just applying it. It's very easy to apply. Honestly, the formula is top notch. I really love it, and the packaging is very luxe. Although it's plastic, it still feels like a very expensive product, which I really do love. And I love that you basically get two products in one. So you're gonna get a powder blush and you're gonna get a cream one. I use it the way he recommends, which is first go in with the powder just like you're seeing on the clip, and then I go on with the cream. That's how I like it. I would honestly have never thought to use a cream on top of powder, but that's the way he does it, and it honestly works perfect. It is a very beautiful blush. Of course, it's what I'm wearing today. I really like the shade. It's perfect for spring and summer because I do like more intense blushes for this time of year. Whenever the Sephora sale comes around, I always want to get products that are gonna be a little bit more pricey so I can save some money instead of just getting not so expensive products. So with that in mind, I did pick up 3 higher end lipsticks. So I got one really a refill, but a lipstick. I got 1 from Gucci and 2 from Dior. So the Gucci one, I absolutely love the formula. It's actually one of my favorite satin formulas. This one is in the shade Blaze of Noon, and you'll see here a little clip of me demoing all of the 3 lipsticks. I knew I wanted to pick up for sure another Gucci one because Gucci has become one of my favorite lipstick products. So anyway, this one is going to be in the shade Blaze of Noon. I got this actually as a recommendation from one of my friends that I really don't know, I've never met, back from the UK. Elizabeth, she has a beautiful Instagram. I'll leave her information down below so you can definitely go and follow her. But she's been raving about this lipstick for some time now, so I knew I had to pick it up in this sale. I have 2 more satins from Gucci, I believe 2 or 3, I think 2, and then 1 sheer formula. This one being my favorite. This lipstick is absolutely stunning. I feel like this is going to be the perfect everyday one for me. For the Dior lipsticks, I'm not gonna lie, these ones were very much inspired by Amelia, also from the UK, and Victoria in the Frau, also from the UK. They talk a lot about and they work a lot with Dior. So I think the first time I saw this lipstick was on Amelia Liana. I'll also leave all her links down below. She used this on some kind of reel or something, or a YouTube channel or YouTube video, I don't remember, but it's the Dior in the matte shade in the shade number 10. It's just called, it just says 10. Okay, there has gotta be a name. Yeah, it's gonna be the Nude Look. So I really love this one. It's definitely more of like a pinkish nude. Very pretty. I wasn't sure if it was gonna look good on me, but I feel like Amelia's skin and mine are a little more similar than compared to Victoria's. To me, she's like very white. So I feel like if it looked good on Amelia, I would definitely love it myself, and I definitely did. And then I got this as a refill because they are a little bit cheaper, and I like that Dior is doing that now. Also, kind of like the same thing that Charlotte Tilbury did probably a couple of years ago, which she does have in her line one lipstick that you can just buy the refill and then just use the same compact. I really love that brands are doing that. But anyway, out of the 3, I think this was my favorite. Maybe, I don't know. And for the last one, Dior, I got this one in the shade 314 Grand Ball. This one is beautiful color. Actually, this reminds me a lot of another lipstick that's actually my favorite from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll show it to you in a second. So I have it right here. So this is basically the same color in a matte shade, and this happens to be my favorite from Charlotte Tilbury, Stoned Rose, and this is Grand Ball by Dior. So this one is just beautiful. This is just my favorite shade in the world. So whenever I saw this, whenever I opened the box, I got so excited because I immediately thought of Stoned Rose, and then I went on and applied them side by side. They're literally the exact same lipstick except for different finish. I love having now a matte one and my satin. So this is a beautiful shade. This formula is so smooth and comfortable on the lips. Although it'll give you that full on matte, like, you know, you can see right now my lips are on the demo. It is a beautiful formula. It just lights on your lips, sort of like even a little bit nourishing, a little bit of, I don't want to say moisturizing, but you can literally just touch your lips. This is a beautiful matte formula. It reminds me so much of the True Velvets by Lisa Eldridge, which of course are my very favorite formula of lipsticks ever. I do have all of them right behind me. They're just absolutely perfection. They can be hard to get if you don't act fast whenever she releases. So this is another kind of like a similar formula. I would say very, very similar actually. But anyway, 314 Grand Ball, absolutely stunning. For my last lipstick, I actually got this in store. So whenever I went to pick up or to find a new perfume, I just wanted to look into the Gucci lipsticks once again, and I wanted to try the matte formula because I don't own any of the matte ones, and I knew I wanted a more nude one. You'll see the demo right here. Michael hates this lipstick. He says that I look like I'm dead because it is maybe a little too nude for me. Honestly, I haven't decided just yet if I want to keep it or not. Tell me in the comments down below, does it look good? Do I look like I'm dead? I really liked it, but if I'm looking like I'm dead, I definitely don't want to keep it. I don't think this is going to be my favorite formula. It's a good matte one, but it's not as beautiful as the Dior or as the Lisa Eldridge or even as the Charlotte Tilbury. It's just an okay matte formula. I feel like it accentuated a lot of my lines on my lips. I don't know if it's just the shade or in general the formula, that's how it is. I would think it's in general the matte formula from Gucci. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it. So it's just a matter of should I keep it because of the color or not. But I wouldn't mind. Okay, put it that way, I wouldn't go out of my way to buy another matte formula from Gucci, if that makes sense. Satin, beautiful. Then the sheers, beautiful, but this one, just okay. And then they are a very high price tag, so maybe just, in my opinion, they're not worth it, not the matte one at least. But I do like the color. Let me know in the comments down below, should I keep it or should I return it? Even though I'm saying I don't love the formula, but I did like the shade, but it might not be the perfect one for me, at least not the perfect nude. To finally finish up this video, I went in store, like I was mentioning earlier, to get a perfume. Little did I know that I was gonna end up with 2 of them. So I was just browsing, smelling different things. I knew I wanted something more fresh, more floral for the spring. So I ended up getting this set by Nest because a lady that was working there for Nest actually approached me and, you know, was like showing me the perfumes. Ended up really loving this one. This is the Wild Poppy. I got this value set that was $80, so it comes with a full size of the perfume, which is a 50 ml, and then it comes with a little roller ball. Oh gosh, I cannot speak today. That's an 8 ml. So I did get $80 for this. I believe full size the Nest perfumes are around 70-ish, I want to say. So for just $10 more, basically I got, whoops, a roller ball, which it's pretty cool to have, like, throw in your purse. I love, love, love this packaging. This is the first Nest perfume I have, but it's definitely not gonna be the last. I feel like the packaging is so luxe. It's gonna be such like a stunning, beautiful glass, but it's just, I really, really love it. And all of the Nest perfumes are like this, so they'll come with that black background and then the florals or whatever flowers the perfume is, but it smells delicious. It just smells perfect for spring. I really, really was happy to have that lady steer me into this direction because I don't think I would have picked up this perfume on my own. And because of that purchase, the lady was super nice. She gave me a little sample of this Wellness Wild Mint and Citrus candle. It's a teeny tiny baby one, but I really like it. And it smells really good. Like, I would think this would be like the perfect one to like start burning in the morning, so you can kind of like get that mint and eucalyptus just kind of like to wake you up. It smells really, really good. For my second perfume, I went for Gucci Bloom. I also got the 50 ml. I wanted the big one, but they didn't have it in store, so I didn't want to wait to order it online. I just wanted to get it right there and then. So I picked up the smaller size. I saw Samantha, I think Guerrero. I really don't know how she pronounced her last name. I think that's her last name. I'll leave her information down below. She's a YouTuber from Canada. Anyway, she was mentioning, she posted this on a reel, I believe, and also she mentioned it on a blog, and that she went in Gucci and she ended up buying this. It smells really, really good. This is the epitome of spring, summer. It's so delicious and the bottle is absolutely stunning. I really like the simplicity of the bottle. It's just very, very beautiful and elegant. It smells really, really good. I cannot wait to use it. I literally smelled all of the perfumes in store that day, and these two were just the winners for me, especially again okay, for guys, this that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to make it a little bit faster. Let me know please in the comments down below if I should keep the Gucci Penny Beige. I don't even think I mentioned the name of the lipstick, but it is Penny Beige. I'll leave, of course, all the information in the description box. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Let me know what you got for the sale. Did you do it like me and then do another order? Because I definitely was going back and forth. Ended up just, you know what, I get a 20% off. This is the time to buy. So anyway, let me know what you got in the sale, and definitely please let me know if I should keep this lipstick, the beige one, or I should just return it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.